Welcome. This is how to fix unresponsive touch screen on Android. So guys, first, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is simply clean the screen. So touch may not work due to dirt, moisture, or oil. So use a soft microfiber cloth and slightly dampen it with water or 70% isopropyl alcohol and wipe it gently. And now another option is remove screen protector or case. So some protectors reduce touch sensitivity. So try removing it and test the screen again. Another one and the most effective solution is holding the power button and volume down together for 10 to 20 seconds. And for Samsung, you could hold the power, volume down, and home all together for 10 to 20 seconds, and this should fix the issue. Now, if it still doesn't work, it may be a hardware issues, so you may call for a professional help for this to be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.